Hi everyone, we're going to find the limit using L'Hopital's rule. We have the limit as x approaches 0 of e to the power of x minus e to the power of negative x minus 2x, all divided by x minus sine of x. So let's see what form we have. We're going to plug in 0, we get e to the 0. That's just going to be 1. So you're going to get 1 minus 1 minus 0. So that's going to be 0. And for the denominator, we get 0 minus sine of 0 is 0. So we have the indeterminate form of 0 divided by 0. So we can apply L'Hopital's rule. And we're going to take the derivative of our numerator and our denominator as x approaches 0. So you take the derivative of e to the x, we get e to the x. Derivative of e to the negative x is just going to make this plus e to the negative x. And derivative of negative 2x is negative 2. Now for the denominator, derivative of x is 1. Derivative of sine of x is cosine of x, but we have minus. So it's minus cosine of x. Now if we apply the limit, we're going to get 1 plus 1 minus 2, that equals 0, and the denominator is going to be 1 minus 1. So we still have this indeterminate form here of 0 divided by 0. So we're going to apply L'Hopital's rule again. The limit as x approaches 0. And now we're going to take the derivative of our numerator, and that's going to give us e to the x. Now we're going to have minus e to the negative x. Derivative of negative 2 is just 0. And for the denominator, derivative of 1 is 0. And derivative of negative cosine of x is going to be positive sine of x. Now, when you apply the limit, we're still going to get 1 minus 1 and 0. So we still have this indeterminate form. So let's try one more time and apply L'Hopital's rule to the limit as x approaches 0. When you differentiate the numerator, you're going to get e to the x plus e to the negative x. And the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. Now when you apply the limit to this, you're going to get 1 plus 1. And cosine of 0 is 1. So this is going to be equal to 2. And that is your limit as x approaches 0. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.